Okay, what's your name, sir?
My name is Sunday.
Please speak louder. Please, wait, somebody know how to make it. What is your name, sir?
My name is Sunday.
Sunday what, sir?
Okechukwu.
Okay, Chuku, you are from which state, sir?
I'm from Enugu State.
Enugu State. What brought you here, sir?
No, it's because of I collect money from somebody.
You collect money or you kidnap her? You collect money. You are He said what? It's wash something. On a car for your number. Go where that place? One a car and go. Now you can't do. You hold on from here. Your number here. You cannot reach. You can't do. Am I lying? How many of you do the work? You are 4. Where do that work? How long you have been doing this work?
So I never take just because of hardship.
Because of hardship. Now you just start this work. How much your percentage from the money work we on?
5,000.
Now they give you. You carry somebody from Yanoba. You will enter motor to Egbeda inside Gando, inside one uncompleted building. Do you know the building? But do you know the building? Your colleagues, do you know them? You know them. You collected huge amount of money from somebody. Is it good? Is it good? Because of 25,000, you kidnap somebody. You say it's not kidnapper. It's still kidnapper now. You kidnap somebody from your number to another place. Collect all her money, and you tell her that if she not cooperate, you can kill her. Now only money you want. But you know your colleagues are all of them. You know them. You know them. This way. Please, I'm sending this message out to everybody over there. Let us be careful. Let us be watchful. This young man you see here is from Enugu State. He's a kidnapper. They are falling group. Arrested somebody, use something on the person, put your head up. Carry somebody from Yanoba, enter about 4 to 5 motor to one place to collect all our money, 315,000. She went ahead to bank and offload all the money in the person account. Look at the woman here. Look at the woman here. Look at the woman here. Let us be careful. May God bless us.